In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Deriv to TradingView in Deriv X. First, open Deriv X, and let's bring up the integrated TradingView charts. You can do this by clicking the plus icon on the interface, or by heading to the Tools menu and selecting the TradingView option from there. This opens the charting window powered by TradingView directly inside Deriv X, so you don't need a separate browser tab or app. If the chart opens with a default layout, that's fine. You can adjust the time frame, chart type, and layout once it appears. A quick tip: save your layout as you go so your preferred settings load automatically next time. Next, choose the asset you want to trade using the watch list. You can browse or search for symbols, including popular volatility indices and other available markets. Click the symbol to load its chart. If you trade certain instruments often, mark them as favorites so they're easy to find later. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct symbol and time frame before moving on. Now it's time to analyze. TradingView's tools are all available here: indicators, drawings, and charting features you're familiar with. Add moving averages, RSI, or any other indicator that fits your strategy. Use drawing tools like trend lines and support and resistance to map out your plan. Keep the chart clean and purposeful. Too many indicators can create confusion. If you use a specific setup, consider saving an indicator template so you can apply it with one click the next time. When you're ready to act, place your trade within the Deriv X interface using the blue buy button for long positions or the red sell button for short positions. Choose your order type based on your plan. Market orders execute immediately at the current price. Limit orders let you set a better entry price and wait for the market to reach it. Stop orders help you enter on momentum once price crosses a level. Before you confirm, set your stop loss and take profit. This is essential for managing risk and locking in potential gains. Double check your order size, order type, and price level. Small mistakes here can be costly. Finally, monitor and manage everything in the Positions tab. Here you can view open trades, see real-time profit and loss, and adjust your stop loss or take profit as the market moves. If your trade thesis changes, you can modify or close the position directly from this tab. Keep an eye on execution details and make adjustments calmly and deliberately. That's the full workflow. Launch TradingView inside Deriv X, pick your asset, analyze with confidence, place the trade with proper risk controls, and manage it from the Positions tab.